John had only $10 notes and David had only $5 notes. The number of notes John had was 2/3 the number of notes David had. So John will be 2 units, David will be 3 units. After John had given David $450 in $10 notes, the number of notes John had was 1 out of 6 number of notes David had. So John will be 1 part, David will be 6 parts. How much money did David have in the end? Now this is an example of an internal transfer problem, whereby they're just transferring notes to each other, not value but notes. Okay, so what we do is we come up with a before ratio. For John is 2 units, David is 3 units, total is 5 units. We need the total because for internal transfer questions, total remains same. Okay, so John is 2, David is 3. John is 2, David is 3. And the total is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, now after John had given to David $450 worth of $10 notes, which means he had given David 45 notes, the ratio then became 1:6. 1:6. And the total is now 7. 1 plus 6 is 7. So our job is to make sure that these numbers here and here are made the same. So what we have done is to times 7 here, times 5 here. Okay, so everything here times 7, everything here times 5. Alright, now you can see very clearly that for John, his units went from 14 to 5, reduced by 9. David, 21 to 30, increased by 9. Why? Because David received that 9 units of notes from John. So that 9 units of notes is the same as 45 notes. Okay, which has a value of 45 times $10, which is $450. We already have this actually. So which means that 1 unit of notes is 45 divided by 9. That's 5 notes. And don't forget, the question is asking how much David has in the end. So at the start, David had only $5 notes. So this 21 units of notes is 21 times 5. That's 105 notes. Each of them is $5, so we times 5. And we add this to the $450 that he received from John to get a final answer of $975.